In this video, I'm going to share the inspiring story of Charles, who left his draining corporate job to pursue freelancing. At first, rejection and self-doubt haunted him, but with persistence, he landed his first project, then another, and soon success followed. He embraced flexibility, learned from challenges, and built a thriving business. Now he works on his terms, travels freely, and mentors others. Hey there, my amazing friends. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, your friend, Teacher Sam, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Today's story isn't just any story. It's a powerful tool to boost your English skills and accelerate your learning. As we follow Charles's journey, you'll naturally absorb new words and phrases through context. Storytelling is one of the best ways to improve your English, helping you remember vocabulary and use it with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll not only enhance your conversation skills, sentence structure, and grammar, but you'll also boost your confidence, listening, and comprehension skills. Plus, you'll learn 3 powerful moral lessons and 5 essential vocabulary words to strengthen your speaking abilities. So stay with me until the end. Are you ready? Let's get started. Charles had spent a decade trapped in a corporate routine. Every day he woke up at 6 a.m., rushed through traffic, and sat in a gray cubicle under fluorescent lights. His job as a financial analyst paid well, but he felt suffocated. Endless meetings, demanding bosses, and the lack of creative freedom drained his soul. One day, as he sipped his lukewarm office coffee, an email notification popped up. Freelance opportunity, work from anywhere. The words made his heart race. Could there be another way to live? After weeks of hesitation, Charles took a deep breath and handed in his resignation. The decision wasn't easy. His colleagues thought he was making a mistake, and his parents worried about financial instability. But deep down, he knew he had to try. He set up an online profile, polished his portfolio, and started bidding for freelance projects. The first few weeks were tough. Rejections piled up and self-doubt crept in. Just when Charles considered giving up, a small business owner hired him to create a financial plan. It wasn't a big project, but it was a start. He poured his heart into the work, and soon, referrals started coming in. His schedule became flexible. He could work from a coffee shop, a park, or even his own cozy home office. The joy of choosing his projects and setting his own rates was exhilarating. Freelancing wasn't all sunshine and smooth sailing. Some months were financially dry, and clients occasionally disappeared without paying. He learned the importance of contracts, discipline, and financial planning. Charles built a system. He set work hours, tracked expenses, and learned marketing strategies. Soon, he had a steady stream of clients and enough income to match his old salary. One morning, Charles woke up to the sound of birds instead of an alarm clock. He packed his laptop and worked from a beachside cafe. He realized he was living his dream. No boss, no rigid schedules, just fulfilling work on his own terms. He expanded his services, hired a virtual assistant, and created an online course for aspiring freelancers. His story began to inspire others, and soon, he was invited to speak at conferences. Charles no longer feared Mondays. He worked on projects he loved, had time for family, and traveled the world while earning an income. Freelancing gave him not just financial stability, but true happiness. One day, as he mentored a struggling freelancer, he smiled. His journey had proved that there was indeed joy in freelance. Now let's look at the 3 moral lessons from the story. 1. Courage leads to growth. Charles took a leap of faith despite uncertainty. This shows that stepping out of your comfort zone is essential for personal and professional growth. 2. Persistence pays off. Even when Charles faced rejections and self-doubt, he didn't give up. His perseverance led to success, proving that hard work and determination always yield results. 3. Freedom comes with responsibility. Freelancing gave Charles the flexibility he desired, but he also had to manage his time, finances, and clients wisely. True freedom requires discipline and planning. Charles's story beautifully illustrates that taking a leap of faith can lead to a fulfilling life. Freelancing isn't just about making money, it's about designing a life that brings joy, freedom, and personal growth. At the beginning of his journey, Charles was trapped in a cycle of uncertainty, questioning whether he had what it took to succeed on his own. He faced financial struggles, self-doubt, and the constant pressure of an unpredictable income. Yet, with resilience, determination, and a willingness to learn, he transformed his life. Freelancing gave Charles more than just financial independence. It gave him control over his time, the ability to pursue meaningful projects, and the freedom to create a life aligned with his values. He discovered that success isn't measured solely by a paycheck, but by the ability to wake up each day excited about the work ahead. Through networking, self-improvement, and embracing challenges, he built a thriving career doing what he loved. He no longer feared instability because he had developed the skills and strategies to navigate the unpredictable nature of freelancing. The freedom to choose his clients, set his schedule, and work from anywhere brought him a deep sense of satisfaction that a traditional job never could. Charles's journey is a reminder that fear of the unknown should never stop you from pursuing a life that excites you. If you've ever dreamed of working on your own terms, his story is your sign to take the first step. Yes, freelancing comes with risks and challenges, but the rewards, both personal and professional, are worth it. Start small, build your skills, and trust the process. You have the power to shape your own future, just as Charles did. The path to freedom and fulfillment is within your reach. All you have to do is take that first step. I have the perfect book to guide you step by step in understanding the joy of freelancing. This book will empower you with proven methods to embrace freedom and uncover the strategies to start freelancing successfully. Packed with real practical guidelines, this is your key to unlocking the benefits of freelancing. Click the first link in the description to download your book. This is a great way to support my work. Now, let's look at these 5 vocabulary words and how to use them in a sentence. 1. Resignation, meaning the act of leaving a job or position. How to use resignation in a sentence. Example, after much thought, Charles submitted his resignation to pursue freelancing. 2. Exhilarating, meaning exciting and thrilling. How to use exhilarating in a sentence. Example, the freedom to work from anywhere was an exhilarating experience for Charles. 3. Instability, meaning lack of stability or certainty. How to use instability in a sentence. Example, financial instability was one of the biggest challenges Charles faced in the beginning. 4. Referrals, meaning recommendations or word of mouth. Recommendations from clients. How to use referrals in a sentence. Example, after delivering quality work, Charles started getting referrals from satisfied clients. 5. Mentor, meaning someone who guides and supports others in learning or personal growth. How to use mentor in a sentence. Example, Charles became a mentor to aspiring freelancers, helping them navigate their careers. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment on the moral lesson you learned from this video. And don't forget to click the first link in the description to download your book. This is a great way to support my work. See you in the next video.